Today I'd like to review for you the ChocZero dark chocolate with sea salt bark that I enjoy when I am doing a keto diet personally. This is a wonderful little treat that I truly enjoy, keeps me on my keto diet and gives me a little taste of chocolate at the same time. It is sugar-free, low carb, no sugar alcohols, no artificial sweeteners, all natural, non-GMO, and they come almonds. This one does have almonds in it. They have so many different varieties that you can choose from, but I love to keep them in the freezer, and it's a wonderful little treat that I feel like I'm getting when I'm watching my diet and trying to stay on keto and doing things like that, but I absolutely love it. So if you want to look into a sugar-free option for a little bit of chocolate, this would be a great addition to your kitchen. It's called the ChocZero. Put it in your cart today.